Keith, we are about to get a serious reality check as it relates to autumn.
Yeah, we know, right? But it's funny, I was saying to Ryan earlier, like, we know this is way past, but when you string together a couple, you're like, well, can we just keep doing this? Like, one seems like an oddity, but when you do 3 of them in a row, you're like, well, and when the answer is no, we will not keep doing it. Sorry, it's not going to happen. We got the 75 in Portland, 82 in Sanford, 85 in Freiburg, though. So those are the real anomalies, right? Like, are we likely to get 70 again? I think so. But 80, that gets harder. And looking at the next 10 days, I don't see anything in there. So you get kind of later in the year. Visible satellite looking clean along the coast, some clouds into the mountains, and that's associated with a front that is slowly moving towards us out of the northeast kingdom of Vermont into northern New Hampshire. So the first spot to see rain here outside of northern Maine, seeing a couple of showers, will be northern Oxford County as that rain moves in. For many of us, though, we're looking at after midnight before the rain starts to develop. It does get heavy at times, perhaps, through tomorrow morning. And so we wake up tomorrow, let's say 6 o'clock, and most of the state is raining. Moderate, couple heavy bands in there as well, temperatures in the 60s. And then the front starts moving offshore, but it takes a little while along the coast. And so I kept the rain lingering along the coast through at least the middle of the day. Meanwhile, New Hampshire, western Maine, the mountains break out into some sun. It's a little bit breezy, but a decent second half of the day. So I think it's going to be a bit of a split state forecast where the coast experiences a cloudier day with periods of rain, and inland locations clear that rain out pretty quickly and end up with some sun. Even along the coast, late in the afternoon, we could pop a little sun, let's say 4 o'clock. Gives us 2 hours or so, 2 hours and change of sun in there. Temperatures fall overnight Wednesday into the 30s pretty much everywhere. And it is way cooler on Thursday. Temperatures in the 50s, a little bit breezy. The mountains stay actually in the 40s, and then we're very chilly on Thursday night, dropping down to freezing in a lot of spots. The coast gets into the 30s as well. As far as rainfall amounts, the models have been going back and forth a little bit here, but within reason, we're talking about 3/4 of an inch to up to an inch of rain, which is something. We've detailed how it's really hard to get out of a drought of this magnitude in one event, and if you do, you're probably not going to like it. So this is something, at least. We'll take that. Looks good on Friday and Saturday. This subtropical low on Sunday and Monday still is a bit of a forecast problem for us. The European model holds that high just enough, keeps us dry, keeps that low, and kind of turns it around. The GFS does the same, but it allows a little bit more of a nudge into that ridge. And so we start seeing some showers on Sunday afternoon into Monday over southern and central Maine. So for now, we took the showers out on Sunday and we put watching that low on Monday because I think we have to. But either way, it's not warm. It's just a matter of whether or not it stays dry through the weekend. My hunch is still that we will. But it's funny, the models really got rid of that low this morning, and then they kind of pushed it a little bit farther north. So we'll keep an eye on it. It's about 60 through the weekend. Either way, overnight lows are not quite as cool because there's a little bit more cloud cover. The chilliest night should be, at this point, Thursday night into Friday, where I think even the coast will be about freezing by the morning on Friday. Some 20s out there. That's the real deal. When you see the 20s, you're like, yeah, okay.
Yeah, that hurts.
But that's not crazy for this time of year. Just it seems like it is now. You know?
It really does. It feels so out of the blue.
Drastic.
Hard right turn.
I think like a place like Berlin, New Hampshire, that they may have a high of 45 on Thursday, right? And they were like 85.
Here we go.
Recently, yeah.
All right, Keith, thank you.
Enjoy the ride.